Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I'm gonna cook miswa with clamshell or tambayang, okay? So we need salt, soy sauce, black pepper, and then patola, miswa, the tambayang, clamshell or tambayang, and then garlic, onions, spring onions, and then the water from the clamshell. So first, we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions, the spring onions, the bigger one. Okay. Tambayang. Add the water from the boiled clamshell, okay? Okay guys, wait until it will boil and we add the miswa, okay? So simmer for a few minutes. Already boiled, so we're gonna add the miswa. Okay, first, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're gonna cover first. And then, we'll be right. So, that's our miswa with clamshell or miswa with clamshell or tambayang. Okay, so it's done. So, we're gonna garnish this onion. And then, guys, I'm using this one. It's just enough, okay? So, that's it, guys. Our miswa with clamshell or tambayang. So that's our miswa with clamshell. That's the clamshell guy or the tambayang. So miswa with clamshell or tambayang. Okay guys, it's done. It's very yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.